Hello friends, in this video let's try to install SQL Server Management Studio 21 version. It is recent version which is running in the market as of today in 2025 now. We are in 2025 now. So I'll go to the Microsoft website where I get SQL Server Management Studio. I'll try to keep this link in the description section. Please check the description for the link. If you open the link, you can see this one. Okay, so you get what are all the things you have in this link. So step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Here you can see here, welcome to SQL Server Management Studio 21. In this version, it is little different when you compare with previous versions. Okay, it's easy to choose and install the feature you need using Visual Studio Installer. So earlier you directly used to get the SSMS or SQL Server Management Studio, but here you will get Visual Studio Installer. It is one of the package, it's added as one of the package in the Visual Studio Installer. Scroll down, here you can check the system requirements. So let me quickly click on this. Okay, so it's a bare minimum requirements required here. So Windows 11 minimum, OS supported OS version or higher. Okay, the next one is even it is supporting Windows 10 minimum. Okay, and it is expecting little hardware as well, 64-bit processor, quad core or better recommended. Okay, minimum 4 GB of RAM required and hard disk space minimum 4 GB. It's a bare minimum requirements. If you have more, that's really good and it gives you nice performance. Okay, so let me quickly go here, and here you can download SSMS 21. That is the version which is running in the year of 2025, and it has lot many features when compared to previous versions. We'll talk about one by one. Okay, so let's click on it. It downloads. If you click on it, it download. Let me click on it. It's going here. Okay, so it's going to download. Yeah, it is downloaded now. So let me quickly go here. Yeah, so let me double click on it. Yes, it asks for Visual Studio Installer. Click on yes. Continue. Getting Visual Studio install ready for me. Okay, so once that install is ready, you get this screen now. So earlier you won't be getting this, but now this is the screen. Here at the extreme right bottom you have install button. Okay, let's click on install. It is getting installed now. So it's starting download. So once it is downloaded, then it goes to the installation. Okay, it's downloading now. So you need a internet connection for the download. So once it is downloaded, then you can install it. In the parallel, if you see here, it is downloading and it is installing in the parallel mode. Okay, because it required a lot many packages, it is happening in the parallel mode. You can see that. We are still 29% of download, 30% of download and 13% of installation. Total of 713 MB, almost 300 MB of file downloaded now, and we are almost 41%. Please bear with me for a couple of more seconds to download it. Still download is happening. Still 63% and 32% of installation. 79-80% of download and 46% of installation. Almost 88%. We are almost there. 92%. Almost 50% complete installation. Almost 80%, close to 80%. 95%, almost 99%. It's finishing up now. Yeah, it's done, completed installation. So installation is completed successfully. We recommend restarting Windows to clean up any remaining files. Let's click on OK. We'll do it. So let's quickly go to the Windows and type for SSMS. Okay. So this one, SQL Server Management Studio 21. Let's click on it. It might ask for a restart. Let us see. Yeah, it is opening now. This is a look and feel of Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. When you open for the first time, okay, it looks like this, and it is asking for sign in with Microsoft account, sign in with GitHub, or create account, skip and accounts later. Okay, I'm doing for now. Yes, now it is coming like this. So I'm okay. Do not import. No, that's okay. Yes, now it is asking for server names. Okay, so here I have two versions of SQL Server. One is 2019 and 2022. Let me select this, click on OK, click on connect. Yes, it's connected now. So these are the list of databases I have. AdventureWorks 2022, AdventureWorks DW 2022, DW configuration, DW diagnostics, DWQ, an example and sample. So you can simply write a couple of queries here and execute it. I'm just writing one sample query just to show you that. Select star from EMP. So execute. So this is how SSMS 21 looks like this. It's a little different when you compare with 18 or previous versions. I'm talking about SSMS versions, not SQL Server versions. I'm talking about SSMS. I mean SQL Server Management Studio version 21. Okay, looks little different when compared with SSMS 18. But SQL have different versions. So that is 2025, 2022 and so on. That versions I'm not talking about in this video. Okay, so that's all about on how to do the installation of SQL Server Management Studio 21 and how to use the SQL Server Management Studio and how to configure and all. That's all about it. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.